Okay, hi guys, I'm going to pick my card up. The person just called from Opay now. Get out the street. Sorry, you passed. I told you this street here. Very sorry. Very sorry. Oh yeah, Roya. Can I bye? And today I wanted to show you guys my package. I just received it right now and I'm going to rip it open and you guys are going to see it, and it's nice. Opay card is seriously the best ATM card you can get. There are numerous reasons. I know I love my Kuda bank. I love Kuda bank a lot, but when it comes to credit cards, you cannot go wrong with Opay. I'll be showing you guys the reason. First of all, let's rip this. Let's rip it open. So when we rip it open, the first thing we are going to see is this card. Comparing the Opay card now with the last one I got earlier, it's just the outer part that has changed. I did videos about the Opay card before now. The only reason I'm making this one is because I didn't make an unboxing video. My wallet got lost. Both my credit cards and my PVC got lost with it also. And it's very nice that Opay allowed us to just replace this card immediately. I didn't have to cancel it and then request for another one. I just clicked on replace card and boom, got a new card. It took more than what they said it would take. I actually explained all of this in the video I made of recent on how long it would take for an Opay card or credit card, virtually any online bank card to get to you. So I also wanted to apologize. I made a video of wrong information and some people were very angry at me. It was nice being yelled at by your true subscribers, people who love you a lot. I really loved it. The reason was that I was using a Canadian app store, so I couldn't find the Opay app there. Regardless, it was all my fault and I'm very sorry. This is my card here. One thing I like about it compared to the Kuda bank card is just this part. It's just very hard. Woo! It's nice. I've been making a video comparing the customer care of online banks, like I would call the customer care of Opay, Kuda, VBank, Sparkle, etc. and ask the questions to make which one is the best. Because these banks are not even close to us. They're not close by any margin. They're like 7 miles away. If they were close to me and had a problem, I would just walk to their branch. But they don't. It's in Lagos. And even if you're in Lagos, it's still going to be a hassle. Click the like button and also subscribe so you can get it whenever it comes out. And this Opay card is completely free. One thing I didn't mention in the last video, because you actually have to pay 600 naira to get this card. And once you get the card and activate it, that 600 naira is given to you as bonus. Use it for airtime, data, etc., which is superb. I must say, wow, money and airtime do not equal. The Opay card is super durable, like it's very strong, and it's made with the Verve partnership. Verve is a company that's owned by InterSwitch. It's a payment processing company. Like I said in the last video, this card is basically useless if InterSwitch and Verve do not step in. It also comes with this. These are the much papers that come with this. I mean, who should fear Mother Nature now? Think greener. It's if I'm going to compare the packaging experience with that of Kuda, it's better. But let's play devil advocate a little bit, because what matters is this card, not this.